Hello and welcome to this YouTube video on how to create a calculator in Python. Python is a powerful programming language that is widely used for a variety of purposes, including data analysis, machine learning, and web development. It is also a great language for creating simple programs like calculators. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to create a simple calculator using Python. The calculator we will be creating will be able to perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. To get started, you will need to have Python installed on your computer. If you don't already have it, you can download it for free from the official Python website. Once you have Python installed, open up a new file in your text editor or IDE and save it as calculator.py. This will be the file where we write our code. The first thing we need to do is import the math module, which provides us with some useful math functions that we will be using later. To do this, add the following line at the top of your file. Next, we will define a function called calculate that will handle the actual calculations. This function will take in 3 arguments, the first number, the second number, and the operation to be performed. Inside the function, we will use an if statement to determine which operation to perform based on the value of the operation argument. If the operation is plus, we will return the result of adding the 2 numbers together. If the operation is dash, we will return the result of subtracting the second number from the first. And so on for the other operations. Here's what the calculate function might look like. Now we will create the main part of our program, which will prompt the user for the numbers and operation to perform, and then call the calculate function to perform the actual calculation. To do this, we will use Python's built-in input function to get the user's input. We will then split the input string into separate variables for the numbers and operation using the split method. Finally, we will print the result of the calculation using Python's print function. Here's what the main part of our program might look like. And that's it. You now have a basic calculator program in Python. You can add more functionality to it by adding more operations or using the math module to perform more advanced calculations. Thank you for watching this YouTube video on how to create a calculator in Python. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below.